discuss about the function. Okay, what do you mean by function? Function means it a set of instructions, set of format of formation of information. So you want to make it replicate everywhere. You have to define the function. Whenever you call the function, the complete data will be produced. Okay, say for example, I simple function created here, sub function. Okay, definition is a sub, so it is a without argument. There is no argument. So a equal to 15, b equal to 5, and c equal to a minus b print it will print. Okay, that's the print c. Okay, I call this function. So I call this function def, def sub. Yeah, the value will be a 10. So value will be a 10 because this is a minus b. That's the value is a 10 is a printed. Okay, and the next function is function with the argument. Okay, I put some argument. So say for example, I take add, so some values, default values, add bracket. So for 14 comma 78 like that. Okay, what will be the value? Yeah, 92. Okay, I added some value. That it has come the result 92. Okay, this G is the variable, local variable e plus f, that is a print is G. Okay, and next one is a function as return values. Function as return values means this function gets some values. Okay, definition or add h comma I, that is the argument, j equal to h plus I. Return value will be j. So I assign this value to some variable. Okay, so I assign this variable. Okay, val, okay, equal to r a add uh, 157. Okay, some value added. Okay, we get the values. So I have to print this value val. Okay, this is a 8035. So function has a three purpose. One is without argument. Without, you want to make a multiple statements. Whenever hello how are you like that. You make it as a function. Whenever you need, just call this function sub function. With the argument, you want to put it to some argument. Yeah, our program will be some definition. It has some definition. So we can call it anywhere. Okay, so we have to put some values, variables, e and f like that. The next one is the function as return value. The function has to get some values, so that is called return j like that. Okay, thank you.